I've been getting lashes done for years now and I love it. I love the way it makes me feel. So I wanted to learn, the science and the schooling behind it to be able to provide that as well. So my main goals were to learn application, learn lash health, and learn how to give a client satisfaction. And I feel like they are achieved. I feel like I've been educated on lash health and how to properly lash eyelashes without damaging them naturally. And I've learned how to speak to clients when a problem occurs, or how to educate them as well. So I do feel like my main goals were achieved when I in the program. I did the hybrid course, so I absolutely loved it. It was very easy to read, very easy to understand, and any questions that I had were easily answered by an email or just calling my instructor directly, and she was great. So the curriculum was clear and easy to follow. I do feel like it did at first it was a little bit like overwhelming just because it was new, but once I was more into the program, about 2-3 weeks into it, doing hands-on as far as models and submitting assignments, I think it was awesome. As like is very attentive. It wasn't too much. With it came consistency and practice, so I do appreciate it. I feel like with as many assignments as I had hands-on, it was great just because it kept me educated, and it was a little repetitive, but it was to install those the correct techniques and the correct sanitation. So I think it was enough hands-on experience. I loved it. And even going in person to do my test at the end with Miss Chassity was great. I feel very comfortable. As someone who has extreme anxiety, going into it, I'm a little bit more anxious about the outcome of the set, which I'm just scared it's not gonna, I just get anxious that there's gonna be no lashes, but there always is. So going into it, I feel a little anxious, but I know for certain that my isolation, the lashes, like everything is gonna be from what I learned. So it's gonna be sustainable. So I know that I'm doing the steps correctly, and I feel very confident in knowing that I'm educated on how to perform the set. It's more of the time. I just feel like I need more, or I just take so long. So with time, I know with practice, I know speed will come. So I do feel really confident I get excited to perform lash services. That anxiety is still there just because I'm not as fast, and I'm scared that the outcome isn't going to be as great. But every time I go in, I get faster and I get more confidence. So I'm absolutely loving lashing, and I feel really, really confident getting past my anxiety and performing lash services.